Getting more grubs. Going back to a familiar place.
It just made a good impression on us.
I know. The toast was super good.
Don't get run over, please.
Box toast. Toast box. Let's go. Go.
And you might get run over. Toast box.
Toast box. We didn't see anything like this in the Maxwell, so
here we go. Let's go. Did you see how we poured it? It's cool.
you what?
You start low and then
One up.
We're about to crack some eggs.
Again.
Again.
We got 2 countries. High toast and peanut butter toast.
It's supposed to be on multi-grain, but they only had white.
2 coffees.
Not that I'm We always have a signature thing that we end up eating every day. In Australia and New Zealand, it was fish and chips.
And in London.
And in London. In Japan, it was 7-Eleven.
I think that was in Korea too. What did we eat in Korea every day? Ice cream?
More Korean barbecue. I think we had a lot of Korean. It wasn't an everyday thing, but we had a lot of Korean barbecue.
And bingsu.
And beans.
And I think here it'll be toast.
It's just so good. Like seriously, it changed my life.
Which would you rather have? Hot AF coffee or fresh eggs?
Fresh eggs.
Fresh eggs.
What about you?
I'm thinking coffee. No, eggs. No, coffee. That's hot.
Yeah, this is really hot.
Right. Well, if you saw yesterday's episode, we did this exact same thing at a branch store. So I think I just watched that
For eggs.
for eggs
Even though this is really
on the how to do eggs and toast. And yeah. So we're just gonna enjoy this. We will tell you how the peanut butter is though.
Oh no, that one broke.
That's just so good.
That was so satisfying. Oh, that one broke too. Oh, that was nice. Oh no. Does this look good to you, people? I know some people don't like runny eggs like this. They like it like cooked. So comment if you like this or like super hard boiled eggs. This will change your life though.
I don't want information. Okay.
This peanut butter toast.
Go ahead.
Yep. Let's see how this goes. Not bad.
Should I just do this?
Yeah. Perfect.
It's gonna be so weird. It's good. It's good. Do it. Do it right now. Exactly how we did it. Peanut butter and eggs. So if you really like this and you really like that, then they'll get good together.
I think the kaya toast is better.
The kaya toast is better?
I like the kaya toast better with the eggs. Peanut butter toast was alright. But this right here, money. And a little bit of this.
So good.
So good.
So good. And it's crunchy peanut butter. It gives it crunch. Okay, you know what the deal is. We gon' grub.
Bye. Last bite.
This is my last bite. Totally soaked up. I don't know what they put in that kaya butter, but it's so good. It's so good. Whatever, it's either the butter or whatever they put with the butter, but that's the best piece of toast like I've ever had. Literally, K-A-Y-A, kaya toast. Okay, kaya toast. Let's go. MK approved. Singapore everyday dish is kaya toast. Although we've only had it from Toast Box, I want to try it at other places. Hopefully tomorrow or today. And toast.
So this is what they put in the toast. Hainanese. Yep. Kaya with honey. So
Honey. So that's the main thing. It's with honey.
to make it sweet, I guess.
We would have brought some back, but it's with honey.
Yeah. So the sugar, eggs, coconut extract, modified starch, honey, pandan juice, and flavoring.
Butter. Maybe they just put it with
No,
butter.
they put butter on
They
it.
put butter and then they put this.
Yeah, it's bomb. It's bomb. It's a lot less crowded now.
Headed back into Maxwell because someone wants another sweet treat.
Oh no.
And here you get sugar cane juice.
That's really cool.
You want bag?
No bag. Oh, no bag, yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, one big dish.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you. That is super green. Is that just sugar?
Sugar cane. Ooh, it's good.
So we tried to go to this place in Korea. There was a line like out the door, 2 lines actually, and I have no idea why. But our friends talked about it a lot, so we're
And there's
trying
no
it,
line.
and they weren't able to get it, so we feel bad. Well, not that bad.
That one, please. Just one. 5.30. Shake it 15 times before you drink. Okay, perfect. Thank you. This thing looks sweet. I don't know
Look at all the tiger stripes.
if you're gonna like it.
All the tiger stripes. It is hot. No, it's cold. So this is hot. Everything else is cold. You have to shake it.
I know, hold on, I got a picture. Oh, the boba is hot.
That's not how you shake it, by the way.
Like that. Here.
You did this. It's not a shake weight.
Excited. smaller. Mmm. Oh my god. So the boba is a lot smaller than usual boba, which makes it so much better. Oh my gosh.
Tiger sugar, as brave as a tiger. Brave as a tiger. There's like big pieces and small pieces.
I got all small. What is tiger sugar?
As brave as a tiger. If you want to be as brave as a tiger, get tiger sugar. The tiger stripes will make you strong. Not sponsored. This is not an ad for tiger sugar.
Okay.
Sponsor us, please.
We're gonna finish our drink and walk around some more and maybe find some souvenirs. We'll see.
Right, so you know how there's regular size boba? Well, this one, like 2 fit in 1 straw. And they're both delicious. Oh god!
Nightcap.
Nightcap. And as our nightcap,
Nightcap.
ice cream.
Ice cream.
Well, it's ice cream Kacang, which looks like a deconstructed volcano with stuff. It has red jellies, green jellies, light nata de coco. These are my favorite. Beans, corn, strawberry ice cream, and a swirl of ice.
Shaved ice. That strawberry ice cream is good.
We are gonna grub.
Rub in the tub.
Corn's good.
Oh.
The red ice is,
The corn is good.
it's like a, what are those things called? Where they put ice cone. Ice cone?
Oh. This one has some green jelly on it.
The green tastes like sugar. Red tastes like sugar. Is there another side on this?
Brown.
Brown? See what that tastes like.
I don't know if they have different flavors.
Brown definitely has a flavor.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what flavor it is. It's like malty. See, you see brown right there?
I see the colors. I just didn't know there were flavors.
What is this? Kacang?
Kacang? Something. Ooh.
Brown is interesting. I don't know what flavor that is.
I don't either. But it's good. It's actually really good. It's
What?
really refreshing.
The corn always surprises me.
The corn is really good.
It's good. I just wish it was like the same temperature. Out of all of these things, it's the corn and the beans are the same temperature, and it's warmer. Not to say it's warm, it's just not as cold as the other ones. A spoon of rainbow. Okay, that brown syrup has a really strong flavor.
Yeah.
I don't know if I like
I
it.
don't know what it is.
It's all blending into one flavor. Stop it before the brown overtakes everything. It is closing up in here. All these places are closing up shop. It's just past 10:15. And as she finishes up, we will be ending the video here. So we hope you liked it. We hope you enjoyed because we enjoyed. Show us some love, leave a like button, leave a like down below. If you have anything to say, comment go in the comments, leave us a comment, we'll talk to you back. For more videos like this one, subscribe, and until next time. See you tomorrow.